Tall industrial chimney stacks have been the predominant feature of the skyline of most industrialised cities and towns throughout the world for centuries. These majestic structures, in many cases, have outlived their useful lives and require to be demolished. This demolition may be to facilitate new development or as a safety precaution as these structures deteriorate due to the passage of time. Evidence of this deterioration is quite often apparent from ground level due to visible signs of spalling on the exterior surface. This in turn manifests itself in fragments coming loose and falling to the ground. The demolition of such structures has in itself posed great difficulty due to their height, condition and very often proximity to plant and buildings that have been developed in the vicinity of the chimney stack base in the intervening years since the construction of the stack. Very often these lower level buildings are still in use and make conventional demolition methods impossible. Dolan Demolition have designed and built a patented system to allow the demolition of such structures in a safe, professional and expedient manner. Dolan Demolition patented work platforms are designed and built in modular form to facilitate ease of transportation to site. Platforms comprise an inner and outer annular deck. The inner deck contains an adjustable circular aperture which is self-adjusting as the chimney is being demolished from the top down to take account of the varying circumference of the chimney stack. The platform is assembled on site adjacent to the chimney to be demolished. Once assembled, the platform is lowered over the top of the chimney by means of a crane. The inner adjustable deck is clamped to the chimney structure at various increments, and the portion of the chimney above the platform is demolished by equipment placed on the work platform. This process is repeated in a controlled manner, with the platform self-adjusting as the operation progresses. Personnel operate in an enclosed work area attached to the frame structure. The aperture, when closed against the structure, is sealed by means of a rubber skirt to prevent dust or debris falling down the outside of the chimney. All the debris from the demolition is discharged down the centre of the chimney and exits safely at the chimney base. A temporary bund is formed at this location to contain the resulting rubble. There is no disturbance to any other activities on site and work can proceed in adjacent buildings as normal.